Hi, I'd like to introduce you to the new product that will certainly make your life easier. So let's begin.
Due to open environment, most of the parts of vehicles and bikes have rust, which damage them. Rust on the rim slowly damage the surface of the vehicle parts, so removing the rust is enhance the life of them. Here, you can see rust over the surface of rim of a bike. There is a clear difference between before and after the use of rust remover on the rim. Rust remover makes your bike new all of the times. Spray the rust remover with nozzle on. Surface of rim is now shined like a new rim. After the use of rust remover, you can feel the clear difference. Continuous rust makes your vehicles useless or even sets dead at the end. Rub the surface with scrubber over the rusted area. Rub surface properly to remove the rust. Rust is removed, and now rim is. Rust eats up all of the metal surface, so makes it rough and useless. Rub the surface with iron scrubber. Hurry up. Click below link to buy our rust remover.
Thanks for watching. I hope you can now see the value of our new product. Please click the link below for more information.